dear learners. I am faculty of mathematics at SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. In this video, I will be explaining you the topic of mathematics of grade 9. So the topic for today's video is circles. So let us begin with the topic. As you can see, the figure which is given here, pizza, wheel, giant wheel, all the items which are represented here belongs to which shape? The shape here is circle. Now we will see the objectives of the chapter. What are the objectives? At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define radius and center of a circle, identify interior and exterior of a circle, identify chord and diameter of a circle, explain major arc and minor arc, define circumference of the circle, differentiate between sector and segment. These are the objectives that you are going to see in the video. So let us begin. Explain the angle subtended by a chord at a point. Draw perpendicular from center to a chord. Understand equal chords and their distances from the center. Explain angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Explain cyclic quadrilateral. So here is a circle drawn where a point is marked at the center of the circle. This is known as center. From center we will make a line which touches the circumference of a circle, and that is known as radius. We have given the center name as O and the radius is OP. As you can see, a clock which is defining the time here is taking the round of the time which is showing the circumference of the circle. Now, can you see the hour hand needle stops at 5 and the minute hand handles end at 8. What does that mean? Circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts: interior, exterior and circular region. All these are the interior part. Interior. The area inside the circle is called as interior of the circle. Exterior. The area outside the circle is called as exterior of the circle. Circular region. The circle and its interior make up the circular region. Now what is a chord and diameter? Now see, a circle is drawn where you can find the radius. A line segment PQ is called a chord of the circle. The chord which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. The longest chord of a circle is called diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle and is equal to 2 times of the arc. Major arc and minor arc. An arc is a part of portion of a circle. What do you mean by arc? A piece of a circle which is between 2 points is called as an arc. Two types of arcs are major arc and minor arc. The longest one is called as major arc. AQB is the major arc. The shortest one is minor arc, that is AB here is the minor arc. AB is shown as the minor arc. Now the next topic is of circumference, sector and segment. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the outside of the circle. It could be called the perimeter of the circle. There are two main slices of a circle, the pizza slice and the slice made by the chord. The pizza slice is called a sector and the slice is known as the sector field, minor sector and major sector. There are basically two kinds of sector. The one which is having the maximum area is known as major sector, and the one which is having the minimum is minor sector. What are semicircles? Basically, you can say when a circle is divided into the half portion is known as semicircles. A circle has two semicircles, semicircle number 1 and semicircle part 2. As you can see in the figure, the darkest part of the yellow and the one which is there in the mustard color shows the semicircle. So I hope you got the topic very well. Thank you for listening. carefully, keep shining, stay healthy. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.